In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eBay affiliate account as part of a passive income guide. Whether you're looking to dip your toes into the world of affiliate marketing or add another stream of income to your portfolio, becoming an eBay affiliate is a great way to start. This guide will walk you through every essential step, from applying to the program to ultimately making commissions. So, let's dive in and get you on the path to earning with eBay. First, you'll need to apply for the eBay Partner Network. Begin by visiting partnernetwork.ebay.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a Join Now button. Go ahead and click on it. If you already have an eBay account, sign in and continue. If not, don't worry, you can create a new account easily. Follow the prompts to set that up. After you've signed in, you'll need to fill out an application form. This will require some basic information about yourself or your business. You'll provide your name and business details, and it's important to include website or social media links where you intend to promote eBay products. Additionally, ensure you enter accurate payment and tax information, as this is where you'll receive your commissions. Once your application is submitted, be prepared for a short waiting period. eBay will review your details to determine if you're a good fit for their program, which usually takes between 24 to 48 hours. Upon receiving approval, you can log into your EPN dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your affiliate activities. Here you will find various tools at your disposal. You'll have access to generate affiliate links easily, and you'll be able to check detailed reports on clicks, sales, and commissions. It's also the place where you'll manage your payment settings to ensure you're getting paid correctly for your efforts. Next, we'll focus on creating your affiliate links. Browse through eBay and find products you believe are worth promoting. Once you've identified a product, copy its URL. Head over to your EPN dashboard and use the link generator tool to create a trackable affiliate link. This unique link will ensure any sales made through it are credited to your account. Now share that link, whether it's on your blog, YouTube channel, through an email newsletter, or across social media platforms. Spreading your link is crucial to boosting your passive income potential. The exciting part comes when your links start to convert. Anytime someone clicks on your affiliate link and completes a purchase, you'll earn a commission on the sale. Commissions can go up to 4%, depending on the product category. Once you hit a minimum threshold, eBay will pay you monthly via Payoneer or directly into your bank account. To truly scale your income, consider building content around trending products. Think reviews, best of lists, and unboxings. Leverage SEO and keywords to make sure your content ranks well on Google and YouTube. Don't forget to capitalize on social media channels like Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Lastly, develop an email list to send out affiliate deals directly to your audience. This continuous promotion keeps you on track to maximizing your passive income from eBay's affiliate program. Happy earning!